So over here in Handbrake, if I were to go around over here onto Tools and Preferences, then I might have changed out many of these settings right here. Let's say, for example, I may have changed this, I may have went around and changed this and so forth right here. But let's say you want the application to behave as it was when you just freshly installed Handbrake. In that case, you can simply go around onto the reset section right here in Tool Preferences, and then what you can do is you can go around over here and then reset all the Handbrake settings back to default. So once you go ahead and click on it and press yes, then everything sets to default. So I made some changes right here on the queued complete, and now you can see that it is set to do nothing right here because we have reset it. So there's built-in presets, as you can see right here, and if you want to reset it to Handbrake defaults, you can go ahead and reset that out as well, and all the built-in preset will be reset as well. Similarly, you can remove Handbrake from Windows notification control panel as well, and then uninstall, clear, and uninstall that feature as well if you want to. And that is how you can go ahead and reset out Handbrake preferences as you need. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.